Guys, the impact on, look at that. All of that fell, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's my house. It boarded up. But we're okay right now. I don't know if the hurricane's back gonna hit us, but it looks sunny and bright outside, so I made it through this. We still don't have no Wi-Fi or anything, so it's gonna suck like that. We don't have no power, so that sucks. But I will try to keep y'all up to date with what's happening, and I'll see y'all later. Alright? Peace.